Hi, I'm Sid Sahrawat here at Cassia with Woop. Really excited to show you this little spin on a traditional Indian dish called biryani. So what we've done is tarakihi with mushroom rice, cavollo nero, and green chili cream. So first thing we're going to do is slice these mushrooms. So they're not too thin, but not too thick as well. So next I'm going to get on to cavollo nero, which is called black silver beet as well. Beautiful, nice texture. So just take this stem off in the middle, discard that. So I'm going to saute the mushrooms first, and then just before I put the rice in to caramelize, I'll mix a little bit of this cavollo nero, chop it a little bit fine, but not too fine. So another thing about this dish is you can make it spicier if you want. So what we've done here is we've got a nice little extra chili here. So just give it a quick chop. So for people who can handle a bit more spice, you can put it right at the end on your dish if you want, or just leave it out. Crispy shallots and cashews here, coriander, which we're going to put right at the end, the rice and the soy seasoning, and that's our green chili cream. So let's cook. Then I'm going to go straight in with my mushrooms on a real high heat, so they cook nice and fast, not too long. Just a touch of butter as well. Halfway there. This stage I'm going to put the cavollo nero. So the rice is nice and it's not too soft because you want it to have that kind of real stir fry consistency. Oh, it's smelling beautiful now. You can really smell that beautiful umami of the mushrooms with the rice. And now here goes a little bit of that rice seasoning. Yum, so that's done. The fish on, and same time we're gonna start warming the sauce. So always cook your presentation down first so you get that beautiful color in there. With a nice mix, gently. Beautiful. So at this stage, the residual heat will just cook the other side. So that's our fish done. All right, we're gonna start plating this dish now. So first thing I'm gonna go is the sauce, the hari mirch cream on the bottom. Again, quite nice and generous because you want that real nice moisture with the fish and the rice together. Again, very generous helping of this rice with mushrooms. Smells just incredible. And then we're gonna go with our beautiful piece of tarakihi, then topped with a little bit of this crispy shallot and toasted cashew. That'll add a lot of beautiful crunch to the dish. A bit of coriander. And then if you're in the mood, you can add a little bit of extra chili on there. So that's our pan-fried tarakihi with mushroom rice and green chili cream. Please enjoy.